Homemade KFC chicken with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fried KFC chicken at home. No need of going to KFC. You're going to try it at home. So whoever is online, I'm going to request you please first like this video. If it is your first time to visit my YouTube channel, please I'm requesting you subscribe so that you can get daily recipes. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So today we are going to be using drumsticks. You can use thighs, you can use a chicken breast, you can use chicken wings, but I decided to use some drumsticks. So we are going to first chop the garlic and ginger. Yes, chop the garlic and ginger, then you set it aside. Then after setting it aside in another saucepan, you're going to apply your chicken drumsticks, then apply garlic and ginger. Then apply salt for taste, apply turmeric for color, then after apply water, then you're going to half boil. You half boil until you see that we don't need it we need it when it's ready but not too soft. Make sure that it does not mash. We don't need it to mash. Then half boil. After half boiling, you are going to set it aside. Remove it and set it aside. I said, if you're online, please like this video. First like the video. Yeah, give this video a like. Then in another empty bowl, you're going to apply wheat flour, 6 tablespoons. Wheat flour, 6 tablespoons. Then you're going to apply cornstarch. Cornstarch, 4 tablespoons. Add cornstarch, 4 tablespoons. Then you're going to apply Royco, but if you don't have Royco in your country, you can use any spice of your choice. Royco, 2 tablespoons. Then apply garlic powder, quarter a tablespoon. Apply black pepper or white pepper, quarter a tablespoon, but leveled, but it is optional. Then mix it. So this is the dry mixture. Then we are going to do the wet mixture. Then for the wet mixture, so this is the dry mixture. I want you to note me well. Then for the wet mixture in another empty bowl, add wheat flour, 3 tablespoons. Then add 1 egg. Add 1 egg. After applying 1 egg, then you are going to whisk a little bit. Yeah, whisk a little bit. Then apply milk or water. You can use either milk or water. Use one of the two. Then whisk until you see that we don't need it too thick. Yeah, we don't need it too thick and we don't need it too runny. Yeah, so apply Royco at this point. But if you have any spice in your country, you can use any spice. So after you mix it and set it aside, I want you to comment which country are you watching my video from, so that I send you greetings in my next video. So we have the dry ingredients and the wet mixture. Then you heat your oil. Make sure that your oil is heated, it's ready. Then we are going to start by applying the chicken or dipping the chicken. We dip the chicken in the wet mixture, then dust it in the dry mixture. But then you are going to fry immediately. You dip the chicken in the wet mixture, then lastly in the dry mixture. Then deep fry until golden brown. Deep fry immediately until golden brown. This is homemade KFC chicken. KFC chicken with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So this chicken is best to be served with a coleslaw salad, French fries, and you can make any dip sauce of your choice. You can make a 1,000-mile sauce, any dip sauce of your choice. So deep fry until you see that it is ready. It is golden brown. Deep fry until you see that it is ready and golden what? And golden brown. So make sure that you turn the chicken pieces each at a time. So if you want to train cook a Rebecca barista and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We do 100% practical hands-on. If you come from far, we offer free accommodation and we do 100% practical hands-on. We are fully registered at the ministry. Super Kitchen School, where chefs are made. So you can WhatsApp me on this number so that I offer you a half bursary. So our chicken is done. We are going for the best part of the show. Remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if it is your first time, and don't forget to share with your friends. Yes, don't forget to share with your friends. Our habit, we don't learn alone. See you next time. I love you.